beta, nothing else. It's completely fine. Your camera is, this is the full camera, I can see. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is that much only I can draw. Okay. So first make it this, first steps is like this. Second steps we are going to here. Okay. One, we are creating the scenery, okay, with color. Two, and here I can create three. Like this, very simple. Three sticks, okay. Here this is a bamboo kind of sticks over here. Yeah, first I make this one. We are going to here like this. Make it like this. That's some barricades.
Oh, it's a gate. It's a gate.
It's a gate, not it's barricade of. See, I make it one more line like this. I just tell that this is the barricade. Okay. We are making tree. I show what I do. First do this. After that you can add something your own. I make here one tree. Okay. This is the barricades, and I create a tree over here. Okay. I hope you understand that properly now. Okay. And here I can create the tree. Okay, this is the tree. Okay, like this. Make it your own. Here is a tree. Okay. Simple, make it tree over here. See, simple tree. First draw this one must. After that we can go ahead the next steps. Wow. Now we can make once more
Sir,
tree.
please wait.
Yeah. Wait.
Yes, sir. Please wait.
I wait. Take time. Make your spider. What? Yeah, you can draw. You can draw. You can draw. You can draw anything else. I love to show. Yeah, I make body now. See? Like this, simple. Yeah, I just show here. Two leg front and two leg back. Very simple. We can make some grasses like this. Like this. Here.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, beta.
Doggy loves mangoes.
Yeah. I add something house over here. Okay. here. Yes, fine, beta. I add something here. See, some house, and the house road is coming. This house, doggy's house. This is, and here I also make one scenery. Yeah. Yeah, I could make cloud also, like this. Like this.
Sir, wait, sir.
Yeah, I wait. I wait for 2 minutes.
This way.
Okay, lemon yellow. Take lemon yellow and you put
Sir,
color.
this is not lemon yellow. This is golden yellow also.
Oh, this is lemon
Light
yellow, beta.
golden yellow.
Okay, but use lemon yellow only, not golden yellow. I am use lemon yellow only. You are all. Yes. Yes. Do this. After lemon yellow, use the green. Aram se. I wait for you. Don't worry. First put lemon yellow nicely, and then after that you are using this yellow. Okay. Like this.
Outline.
No need outline. No, don't do outline. Okay. Don't do.
Why,
out-
sir?
No.
My artists are little thick. So it might
Don't-
come inside the drawing if I don't do outline.
Make it.
Can I do out?
Okay. Do. Make it grasses like this stalks. Okay. Like.
Okay, sir. Sir, which green are you using?
Light green.
Okay, sir.
It's a light green, beta. That much first finish. We can go the next part after that. Okay, step by step we will go. So you can understand. Do that green little more darker than the before. So yeah. That green, beta, that is sap green. You have a green, any dark green you can put over here.
It's dark green. Sir,
Yeah.
which green are you using?
I'm using sap green. It's called number 35.
Okay, sir.
You can use any dark green. I put the green color also over here, okay? So what the looks more grasses like this, more grass kind of things. So I can use this more green color over here, okay? Like this. Hello. Hi ma'am, Tapan sir here. Yeah, Shraddha and Shatika is taking class, no? Because this time is different, so I can not calling also. Otherwise, I call that if some student not present class. So, oh, now is evening time, no? Both are right, Shatika and Shraddha. And the date the same, right? Saturday or Sunday, ma'am? Saturday. Okay. I just input this Excel set. Saturday evening, both are right. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Feedback after feedback means a from tutorial or others when after the drawing I can give him feedback. What you say? Give me advice. What you watch? Uh, the drawings. I want to say that after few months is get classes with from me, right? So what you see, Shratika and Shita, is it improvement? Watch some or interested, grow the interested, interesting with for drawing. What do you feel? It is grow? Is it developing the drawing skill or something else? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I see Satika actually last day, some drawing. Just Satika senior batch. Yeah, some character girls is doing. It's very nicely doing. I see. Okay, okay. I see this is doing very nice. No, in class I see this drawing. I do some anim drawing and he drew this and it's nicely doing. I still that. So, what do you feel this improvements and she said that yeah fine yeah yeah no definitely need to yeah yes ma'am. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Still, I'm learning, ma'am. After 25 years college lecturer, I still am learning every day. So this is yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. That is very good. Very good. You tell that is actually it's helped me. Okay, sure. Sure. What's happening sometimes? Maybe we have some meeting in office and all, and that time I not giving the feedback that much. So I giving the inspiration. It is okay, nice, is good going on, something like that. So he cannot fed up or not feel bad. So because he tried whatever 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever he try in sitting and draw, that is I want to motivate. But definitely you tell me, I just give him this drawing. Otherwise, if I tell na every time is bad, is good, is bad, I would feel that whatever I see is not satisfied.
Sir,
Yeah.
very much thank you.
Very much thank you, beta. You don't know scenery, right?
Sir, may I go to toilet?
You just I show how to draw. See, this is a scenery, right? This is also scenery. I
Sir, we
you
can
can
draw.
draw this kind of drawing.
Sir.
Tree,
Sir, we
house,
can.
room.
Sir,
Yes.
we can draw own scenery.
You can draw your own scenery. Yeah.
Okay.
Soft. Yes, beta. You can draw the soft pastel. I make one uh, color border with a black color border and I make some blue shadow over here. Okay. River, it's also nice. We can put little dark tone over here. Yes, if you finish this drawing, kindly go your next drawing, please.
Please wait for me.
Go your next drawing if you finish this one. Little shadings I putting over here so it looks more nice. Vishnu.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I drew Subhash Chandra Bose.
Wow. For what purpose?
Sir,
15 August. Or just normal you draw.
sir, I normally drew.
Okay, very nice. Very. Show me. Wow, that's great. Nice. Super.
Thank you, sir.